Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create hyperlinks within a same document in Word. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Word application. So this is my Word application. So I just want to link a same document with a hyperlink. What I have to do here? So this is my Word document. So I have created the titles. So I just want to select the title and I just make this title into a heading. So on top you will find a home button. There will be a headings option will be available. There is plenty of headings option will be available. You can choose some of the heading options. So I have selected for the heading one for the apple. So I just select for the orange or the titles, which are the titles you just select for the heading, and as well as the mango also I just select a heading. So 3 headings I have selected over here. So in my downside, that is my last page, so I just want to create a link for that. What I have to do here? So I just click here for my last page around this is my 5th page. So I just have an apple. So once I click apple, automatically within the document the apple content should be reached to me. What I have to do here? So I did a heading on the top. Now I just select the apple. So use Control K for the hyperlink. So this is a Control K for hyperlink. Just hit the button Control K, or just go to insert and you can have a link option. You can select the link and you can have access. So I just select a link or hyperlink, you can choose. So here there will be existing page and place this document. Once you select the place this document, there will be headings. What are the headings you created? Every headings will be have a options. Automatically it will create because we select and choose a heading. So I just choose a apple and select OK. Automatically the apple will have a hyperlink over here. So I just use a control click, means automatically it will move into apple heading. So this is a beautiful and easiest option. For example, I just have a hyperlink with a Word document. This is my first page. So I just choose this title and I just go to home page. I just choose a heading. So this is the heading option. So I just want to give a link for a 3rd page or 4th page. So go to top page or anything else, I just select and Control K for hyperlink, and here there will be a hyperlink on top of the document will be there, or hyperlink with the document you have given the title, or top of the document you can give, and click OK means while I click here, click Control means top of the document will be open here. This is a beautiful and easiest option. So while you want to have anything, you want to make a selecting the within a document, if you want to make something which is needed, means you can have a options. For example, I just have a mango, so I just select Control K for hyperlink. So once I select the Control K within a document, I can choose a mango and click OK, means once I click, automatically it will move into mango title. So this is a beautiful and easiest option. Use this within a document. You can link so that it will be easy to have access with your clients as well as with your students. For example, if you have any types of works you want to do, means you can use within a document with a link, means that students can able to read as well as client can able to do that. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.